Hello lovelies, welcome back to my channel. I am Ifoma. In today's video I'll be doing another luxury unboxing from the brand Babala, and the reason I work with this brand consistently is because the quality is consistent and the product is consistent. So that is why I keep working with them, because I know that whatever they send me, the quality is going to be up there. And so in today's video they sent me a new bag. It's so small. I wonder what is inside, but I am super excited. I wanted to unbox with you guys, so let's get into it. So this brand Babala, they are in China. They have a website, which I will leave everything in the description. How it works is that you go on the website and you pick out any replica bag that you want. They have all type of bag. I have shown you guys the ones that I got in previous videos, which I will also link here for you to check out. And you just go there and you pick out the bag that you like. The prices, they vary based on the bag, and the shipping is kind of fast. Let me say like 2 weeks you get your bag. And guys, the way they package this bag in good quality is what really amazes me. Now I don't know about tariff. You have to find out when you get to the I guess when you get to checkout. But if you don't want the bag to come in a box, like in that luxury box, you can get it for a cheaper rate. The sellers they have on this website, their bags are quality bags. That's why I keep working with them. And some of my friends have ordered and they told me that the quality of the bag and the fast shipping, not like really fast, but I'll say compared to other websites that is in China, their shipping is quite fast. So this is the box that they sent me. That is how it's looking. I can guess already what is inside. It comes with this paper for the packaging. Since I have done several unboxing from them, so I know already that this is like a little envelope with details of the bag inside. It does have a tax invoice. This is the first time I'm noticing that. Okay. And also it comes with a little card of authenticity. Yeah. Moment of truth. And in case you're wondering, it also comes with a ribbon. So, oh my god. Oh my god. Yes. Oh my god. I am super excited. So this is what it's looking like so far. Yes, yes, yes. Do you see the quality of this bag? When I tell you that this brand Babala, as long as they want to work with me, I don't see any reason why I wouldn't want to work with them, because their product is really top notch. So you see all the protective details that this bag comes with. It's the Kelly Mini Bag, and I cannot even begin to describe the quality of this bag. I just can't. It has like gold hardwares on it. You are seeing it, and everything comes with a protective covering. You're seeing it. You see, before I even start to take it off, I want you to notice the protective covering. Do you see the stitching on this bag? You see? You see? It has feet, also protected. Let me see if I can get one out. Do you see? Gold hardware feet. This brand, I am always blown away when I get something from them. The way they package the bag, I'm always very impressed. So taking out all this stuff. Oh God. It comes with a little strap. Let me tear this out. I need a scissors, but at the same time I try not to use scissors because I don't want to damage it. So you are saying it comes wrapped up, and it also comes with another protective like foam. I'm telling you, the way they protect this bag is top notch. That is why I like this brand. Oh wow. So this is the strap. Oh wow. I'm trying to figure out, okay, I'll figure it out. Where to put this strap. So I think the strap is going here. So guys, I was able to put on the straps, and this is how it's looking. The strap is not very long. I probably will not wear it with the strap if I want to wear this bag. Let me show you how it looks with the strap on. So that's why I say it's not very long. But for example, if you are going for like shopping and you just want your hands to be hands-free, you can definitely take this. It probably contains your wallet and maybe some cards and some lipstick and lip gloss. Let me see if my phone will fit in. I doubt it. I don't think my phone will fit in. But let me see. My phone is not able to fit in. So, but if you add your little wallet and lipstick, a little bit of lip gloss, and maybe some little hand sanitizer and little hand cream, it will definitely go in here. And this is something that you can definitely take for like concerts, dinners, date nights. You know, it's also a very nice bag to give as a gift this holiday. So you are seeing it, right? You see the quality of this bag, the stitching, everything is top notch on this bag. I am so in love with this color. I really love it. I think this color is called taupe. I like it so much, and I'll be rocking this bag to places like church, dinners, date nights. It's also going to be a very good bag to take for trips. So I like it. Christmas holiday is coming. If you want to give somebody that likes like luxury items for less the price, Babala website is a good place to start with. If you don't want it coming with the boss that I showed you earlier on, it will just come in this bag. And I will say that with this bag is under 300, but if you add the boss, it's going to be a little bit more pricey. How much they said this bag on the original price of this bag, and the quality is there. Why will you want to spend so much money, thousands of dollars in this economy, to pay for the same thing that is done in the same place? Come on. You cannot beat the price of this bag. So I want to say thank you so much to Babala for sending me this bag. I work with them all the time because I know the quality of their bag. I'm seeing it, I'm carrying it, I know the looks that I get, and every time I wear their bag I must get a compliment, and for less than $500. Yes please. So I will say if you want to grab this bag, I'll leave all the links in the description, including all the other videos that I've done. I do have a discount code which I will leave on the screen. They told me that my discount code is good for everything on the website. Guys, check out the website and see for yourself what I'm talking about. So I want to say a big thank you to you all for sticking with me to the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe if you're not already subscribed. All the information will be in the description box. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all on the next one. Let me go off my bag. Bye.